Get ready for challenges! Stay together. Stay together, team. Final challenge is ropes.
Kids, listen to me now. Today is very special. We are going to Saudi Arabia! We will explore MrBeast Park today.
Really, Mom? Is this true? I feel so excited now.
Yes, kids. It is real. Whoa! Keep your passports ready.
The airport looks so big. The lights are very bright.
Stay close to me, Mila.
Our flight time is near.
Will there be challenges there?
You bet there will be, buddy. Yes, many fun challenges.
Will MrBeast be there?
Maybe, but fun is sure.
Boarding time. Let's go now.
The plane sounds very loud.
Yes, many fun challenges.
Don't worry, I am here.
I can see clouds outside.
We left India already.
I feel like Flying Bird.
Enjoy the view, kids.
We are landing now.
The air feels warm. The airport is beautiful.
Welcome to Saudi Arabia!
Look at Arabic signs.
They look very nice. I like this place. I like this place.
The driver is waiting.
The board says MrBeast Park.
Wow, this feels unreal. Are we near the park?
Almost there, sweetie.
Yes, almost there now.
Look at the big gates. Ah!
They are so colorful. My heart is beating fast.
Welcome to MrBeast Park.
Get ready for challenges!
Hey! I am ready already.
Stay together. Stay together, team.
First challenge starts now!
I will run fast!
I will try my best. I got many coins. I am a little tired.
Time is over now.
Second challenge is teamwork.
Pass me that block.
This one is heavy.
I will help you. And you. I can hold this.
Well done, family.
Yay! We did it together. I feel very happy.
Let's eat something now. Ho, ho, ho. Ha.
The food smells good.
This shawarma tastes nice. I like this drink.
Final challenge is ropes.
Teamwork is important.
Hold tight, everyone!
I will not let go. Dad, I am scared.
You crossed the line.
We won together.
The sun is going down.
The lights look beautiful.
I will remember this forever.
Let's go to hotel now.
you, Mom and Dad. I love this family.